All right, y'all, here with the video of this S20 Lite drone. So I'll put a link in the description for this. I'm kind of doing this in reverse because what I wanted to do was I wanted to fly the drone first before doing a video and giving my thoughts and stuff on it. Sometimes I do the unboxing and then I come back and then as I'm flying, I talk about it, but I wanted to fly this drone first. Now, I do have to admit, out of all the drones that I've flown, this has been the easiest just to kind of just power up and just get the drone going. So it just uses 3 AAA. So remember that it's 3 AAAs you're gonna need in the back of here for this. And then of course for the drone and stuff, so you'll see some stuff kind of popping up and stuff for that for it. And I'll leave a link down in the description. And for the price point, I think if you do not have a drone, this would be a perfect drone for you. Now it does come with 2 batteries. I'm gonna get this unfolded. Now it does come with 2 batteries and it comes with a USB charger and stuff for it. And then a couple extra components and stuff that you guys can see, and there's some propellers and stuff like that for it. But this is, I gotta say, one of the easiest flying drones that I think I've ever flown. And even to get everything bound up and everything, it was no binding and sitting up here trying to calibrate to get this drone to fly. And you guys see some of the footage there. So at the end of this video, you'll see some flight footage of it. But I would say if you've never had a drone before, go ahead and spend a couple extra bucks, and this could be on sale pretty soon because of Black Friday and Christmas. This would be the perfect first drone for anybody because, you know, with drones you got to learn how to fly them and stuff. And the camera was good. It said it was 1080p, which is between 720 and 1080p, but it was just easy to fly. And you guys see some of the footage there. So it doesn't have a gimbal or anything like that on it. So the stabilization isn't there like you would see in like a high DJI drone, but this is not to compete with the DJI drone. This is just a drone for somebody to get started and be a beginner on it. So I'm gonna quit some of my yapping now. You guys have seen all this. Of course, it has some of the basic functionality for it. You guys see the radio there. You open it up. That's gonna be the power button for it. Up in there, you can extend this out to put your phone and stuff in there if you wanna go that route with it too. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna quit my yapping. You guys are gonna see the complete footage of this. So I think it said it had a 1080p, and this is kind of the footage you see here for it. It was fine. It didn't have a gimbal or anything, so there wasn't any stabilization or anything like that. But for what it's worth, I think it was good to get out and at least see this. We did take a couple of photos with it, but the photo quality is going to be the same as you're seeing as the video quality here. And you'll see throughout the rest of this that there's a lot of cars out there. We kind of flew it around, and then I shot some more footage, and there's going to be less cars out there. We were kind of playing around with it and just talking and stuff like that. So here's going to be later towards the evening. You see there's a lot less cars out there. So we were just flying this drone around, and the winds actually picked up a little bit more at this particular time, but it still did good for what it's worth out there. The main thing was just trying to get this out and show you guys some footage of it. So I'm not going to try to talk throughout the rest of this video, but you can see some more of the footage and stuff of this drone flying around. So there's going to be a link below in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you guys want to check this out, and stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching.